Creating typical social media posts can be a tedious grind with no results, but if you use a transformation post, potential clients can see your abilities as an agent. Today we are going to look at 6 different transformation posts that you can create to captivate your audience. Recently I was scrolling through YouTube and I found this really interesting video from a lawn care company. Now their whole channel is the same video over and over again, and what they do is they find a lawn that is in extreme disrepair and they give it a makeover. And all they do is set up a camera and do a time lapse. Now these properties are in terrible shape, so usually the video is about a half hour long, and you have to wonder who would sit around and watch a half hour of someone cutting grass. Well, the answer is a lot of people, because SB Mowing has over 3 million subscribers, and one of their videos has over 24 million views, and it is an hour-long video. Mountain rug cleaning is another example where they take the most filthy and disgusting rugs and return them to their former glory. This channel has almost 2 million subscribers, and their top video has over 10 million views. So what is it about transformation videos that get viewers interested? I mean, for me personally, I never want to clean, so why would I ever want to watch a video of someone cleaning? In today's video, we are going to look at why transformation videos are so effective and how you can use them in your social media to grow your business. Okay, so here's your situation for today. You need to start growing your business, but your current social media posts of just listed and market stats just aren't moving the needle. The problem is, although these posts are important, they aren't showing your abilities as an agent. If you aren't showing buyers your process, they won't see that you are capable of the job. They will just have to hope and pray that you are, and there is a hell of a lot on the line for that. If you think about it, even salons are doing transformation posts for men's haircuts, and those are like $20. Well, except for mine. I do that myself. The solution is to use before and after pictures, time lapses, or any transformation post that shows you are good at what you do. In this video, I am going to share with you 6 transformation posts that you can use and 3 different ways that you can present them. Let's take a look. When it comes to a transformation in real estate, the one that is most visually pleasing is staging. And the reason for this is viewers can see how much work is involved. This is also very relatable because people will see the before image and realize it looks a lot like their home. And when they see the after photos, they will be very impressed and want this for themselves. This is valuable because it will show your competence without saying a word. Seeing is believing, and this will show that you are a pro. All you need to do for this type of video is set up your phone on a tripod in the corner of a room. Turn on the time-lapse function and let it roll. The next transformation that you can do is a declutter post. This is great if you aren't doing staging because it will have a very similar effect. Once again, all you have to do here is set up your phone and turn on the time-lapse feature. Then you can walk through the room, finding all of the most common decluttering issues. This is effective because it shows how much effort goes into your process, and your effort is important. Sellers want to know that their money is being put to work. For example, a bowl of ramen soup sounds delicious, but when you find out that 12 hours went into making the broth, it will taste even better and it will be more desirable. The front exterior is the first impression for a buyer, so you want to make it a great impression, but often it's overlooked. So removing vehicles, garbage cans, and adding flowers to the front step will go a long way. Transformation posts here will show that you are an expert that focuses on the small details. I have one client that buys flowers for every front step and a wreath for every front door, and this adds vibrance and it makes the home more endearing. And of course, this pop of color makes for an excellent transformation post. A repair transformation is an amazing post to show sellers things they need to do before they list. This can have a huge impact on the price, so a transformation like this is essential. A before and after picture here is super easy to do, and it will highlight things that sellers may overlook. A post like this shows you care and you are looking at the smallest details to make sure that the listing looks its best. What I would suggest here is that you do a walkthrough with your client and go through all the potential repairs that they can do. At this time, you can take some before pictures, and then when they have completed the repairs, you can take some after pictures, which will make this a super easy post for you. Another transformation that you can do is with your listing marketing content, and what I would do here is highlight the professional marketing that you use. So for example, I would do another time-lapse video, but this time of your photographer as they move through the house taking pictures. I would then take cell phone pictures that look terrible and compare them to the professional photos so that they can see this beautiful transformation and how valuable professional photos are. When viewers can see that you are putting money into professional work, they will know that your commission is worth it. I mean, no one wants to pay commission, but when they see the effort that goes into the listing, they will be more comfortable with it and maybe not haggle over the percentage. The last transformation that I have for you today is the easiest one because you can do it on any property, and that is a decor refresh. All you need to do here is a before and after of you rearranging a room so that it is optimized for showings. This could be the removal of furniture that doesn't fit the space. This could be repositioning furniture into a better spot, or you could be removing pet items that you don't want in the photos. This is a quick and easy one to do, which is visually pleasing in a feng shui kind of way, and it shows that there is no detail too small for your efforts. There are 3 easy ways for you to show this kind of content, which are a time-lapse, a before and after photo, and a talking head video. The time-lapse is the most effective because of the presentation. People love to see a transformation, and this is proven by 24 million people watching a guy cut a lawn. If you don't want to do a video, you can do a before and after photo because these are also very powerful. Just look at the gym industry, it is built on before and after images. Well, that and steroids, but I don't think you need any of those here. The last transformation that I have for you is a talking head video. This is where you get on screen and talk a little bit about your process. This is great because you can get some FaceTime with your clients, which they definitely want. Real estate content on social media tends to be a little bit too focused on the agent instead of the viewer. And I totally get this. Social media is a total grind, it's a full-time job, and it's hard to know what you should post. But if you can show a little bit more about your process and what it means to the viewer, you are going to turn likes and shares into clients. Transformation posts are highly engaging, they prove your value, and they will build trust. Thank you very much for watching the video today, and if you want the very best real estate marketing tips and advice, subscribe so that you can get them before your competition, and remember, stand out, sell more, and rebel against bad marketing. I'll see you in the next one.